Okay, so you've probably built your code to read the analog pin and have been playing around with that. That was this code that we just finished. Now you can set the thing and it tells you what your reading is. So that's all well and good, but now we're going to build a conditional code block to start doing things based on that sensor. So you're using the sensor as an input device. Okay, so you're going to need to build this code right here, which you already kind of built up earlier. So if you still have that, just put that back into the microbit. But what you're going to do with this is change the A button pressed part of the code. And you're going to need to pull one of these blocks out and then put the analog read pin into the first part of it. And then set this number on the other side to whatever number you want. If you want to have basically the pressure sensor is going to become a button, just like the A button on the microbit. You can press it, and each pressure sensor is a little bit different. So based on what was the pressure when it wasn't pressed, what was the pressure with light pressure, I would maybe set it to light pressure. So then when you push it, you don't have to push it super hard. You can just push it a little bit, and it'll trigger. So that way, instead of pushing the A button and having it smile, you push the pressure sensor and it smiles. That's what your code needs to do. You need to build it so that it can do that. And these are the code blocks that you're going to need to do it. Good luck.